on an adventure to a land where music is the native source of living and dancing is the key to all joy and happiness. The vehicle that we will be using will be the D-Train, riding express non-stop to your heart.